Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how I moved from this to this, then all you have to do is continue watching, and while you're at it, please me I'm begging you, do not forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. To start off this look, I am using this dark brown gel eyeliner from Music Flower. You can also use a dark brown pencil to fill in the brows, but for a better fill in, I think this gel eyeliner does give me better coverage. As I fill in my brows, I am using my eyebrow spoolie to blend in my eyeliner with my eyebrows. Then to give my brows a more natural look and to fill them in some more, I am going in with this dark brown powder, also from Music Flower. Then I am going to use my eyebrow spoolie to brush in my brows some more. To clean up and conceal around my brows, I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. After cleaning up around my brows, I would use the same brush with a little bit of concealer on it, so I don't dip the brush back into the concealer. I just use what is left on the brush to slightly brush in the starting of my brows. This would allow your brows to look a little more natural. Now for my brides or any of my clients, I would clean and then moisturize their faces. So for moisturizer, I am using this oil-free moisturizer from NEUTROGENA for my face. My face can get very oily and sweaty, so this is why I use oil-free moisturizer. And to have your bride's makeup stay on or in place, you have to prime their faces, so I am using this Photo Ready Perfecting Primer from Revlon. Now if I receive a bride that is very oily and sweaty and touches their face a lot like I do, I would definitely want to add more primer. So I prefer to use a setting spray before and after doing my makeup. I realize that when I do this, the makeup stays on and in place for the entire day. Now for my eyes, I am starting off with this Maybelline eyeshadow palette called the Nudes, and I am taking the lighter shade of brown to place on the outer and upper part of my eyes, and then I'll use my eyeshadow blending brush just to blend it in properly. Then to create a smoky look, I am using this darker shade of brown to blend into the outer corner of my eyes and into my crease. For my eyelid, I am using this peachy pearl looking shimmer from the LA Girl Ultra eyeshadow palette. Most of the times when I am putting on my eyeshadow, I tend to just play around with colors from different palettes just to see what works well with what, and to also get the look that I am basically looking for. And that is what I am basically doing here. So now I am using two different shades from the Amuse eyeshadow palette. Then you'll see me go back in with a gold looking color from the Maybelline the Nudes palette. To draw my wing, I am using this black liquid eyeliner from Amuse. Guys, I went ahead and put on my lashes off camera, and whenever I put on my lashes, I like to go back with my eyeliner to blend the lash line with the eyeliner. Then to blend my lashes together, I am using this black mascara from Amuse. But guys, look at this packaging. Oh my god, it's absolutely beautiful. I love it. Now guys, sometimes when I'm putting on my makeup, I would like lean back and look in the mirror. If I lean back and look in the mirror and my makeup is like flawless, I'll be like, yeah girl, you look good, yeah, you look nice. But if I lean back, I'm looking in the mirror and it don't look good, then all I have to do, I just go back, go fix it. And then lean back again and be like, yeah girl, you look good, you look fine. So but seriously, it is good when you're doing someone's makeup or even your own makeup to just step back a bit or lean back. Now lean back, lean back, now lean back. And admire the work. You can also see if perfect enough or it needs fixing. So just lean back, just lean back. Now for my face, I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer to conceal under my eyes, and to highlight the areas that need to be highlighted, I am using a damp beauty blender to blend it in properly. And while I am blending, I try to be very careful not to mess up the eyeshadow and the eyebrows. For my foundation, I am using the Sasha foundation palette, and I'm using 3 different shades. I am using the Perfect Spice and the Perfect Bronze to contour my face. Then I am using the Cocoa Beige to highlight areas of my face that needs to be highlighted. So the brush that I am using to apply my foundation is a foundation brush from Bridal. After applying my foundation, I am going back with a damp beauty blender to blend it in properly. To set my face, I am using the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. To contour my face, I am using the Black Radiance Press Powder in the shade Ebony. For blush, I am using this Bake blush from Milan. Doesn't like a glowing bride. I mean, I like when a bride is walking up that aisle and her cheekbone is like popping. So I am going to use a lot of highlighter. line my lips, I am using this hot red lip liner from NEUTROGENA. For my lips, I am using this Brick House red lipstick from the Profusion lip palette. Now guys, for a bride, it is best to go nude or subtle on the lips, seeing that I went that heavy on the eyeshadow. But who said that we can't change the rule a bit? I consider myself to be a drastic bride, so I am going red. It also depends on the bride, right? So if the bride wants to wear red lipstick or black lipstick, well, it's up to her. Also, it's up to the type of dress that the bride will be wearing and the jewelry. Also, the dress that I will be wearing today for my photo shoot will be a simple looking dress, so I want to go bright on my makeup. I like line my eyebrow, I am using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. And finally, to set my face, I am using the Maybelline Master Fix Setting Spray. To darken my tear line, I am using the black gel liner from Music Flow. Now this is the final look. Comment and let me know what you think. Would you consider wearing this makeup to your wedding? And while you're at it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.